Hi guys, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever time you're seeing this video. You're welcome back to Hairstyle Ideas, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can make zigzag stitch braids or stitch zigzag braids, however way you choose to put it. Everything you need to know, everything you should know about stitch braids, featuring 40 stitch braid hairstyle, like different hairstyles. Okay, now if you're a lover of braids, you know that there are tons of ways, styles, and even techniques that can be used to come up with the most amazing hairstyles, from flower braid designs to using different mixtures of braiding hair to come up with the perfect design. Okay, so in this video I'll take you through stitch braids, how you can do the patterns, the zigzag pattern, how you can, everything. We are going to cover things such as what are your stitch braids, how long do stitch braids last, like, and even how to maintain it. Okay, you guys, everything at all. Plus the most important one is how to do this zigzag stitch braids. As you can see in this particular video, you would notice that there are so many designs, so many, in fact in almost all the video till you watch to the end, there are different designs you're going to see, and I'm sure you're going to love them. Now when it comes to pattern of these zigzag stitch braids, now stitch braid is the one that you have to be getting these lines in between as you're weaving them, as you're cornrowing them, those lines will be appearing. However, how to get the zigzag way it has to do with when you're opening the lines in the hair. So now when it comes to how long stitch braids can last, okay, stitch braids can last for 4 to 7 weeks depending on your hair texture, the braid lines, in fact everything at all, the texture, if the stitch braid lines, all this thing is going to determine how long the hair can last. Okay, and I'm telling you it's from approximately 4 to 7 weeks. Okay, depending on if you're a good person, if you're a good hair carrier. There are people that can know how to maintain hair, and there are people that when they scratch their hair 2 times, the hair will just scatter. Now how do you maintain stitch braids? Stitch braids can be maintained by using a cloth or cotton ball with dry shampoo to clean your scalp. Okay, and anti-itching oil for when your scalp starts to itch, and wearing of silk bonnet or wrapping a scarf when you're about to sleep. You see, these are the ways that you can use to actually maintain stitch braids. One, use what's this name of this oil? That this particular oil that I would have recommended, but I think at this point now I've forgotten. You use cloth or cotton ball with dry shampoo to clean your scalp. You get me? Like if you use your clothes and you get a little shampoo, make it dry, use it to pass it through those lines. It's going to help avoid dandruff. And there's this anti-itching oil, like I said, that I've forgotten the name. You can just go to any big shop and tell them that you want anti-itching, like hair itching oil. Okay, they're going to give it to you. You use it to clean, and then you will always wear a silky bonnet or you wrap a scarf when you're about to go to sleep. It is going to help you maintain it. Now when it comes to how much it could cost, how much it can cost to do these stitch braids, just budget around $80 to $150. You get me? That's if you're in diaspora, and because most of my audience are from diaspora, you can do the maths if you're in Nigeria or any other part of the world. So just budget from $80 to $150, depending on the size. If you want it to be tiny, you get me, if you want it to be big, so all this thing like comes together and makes the hairstylist determine how much he or she is going to charge. Now to the main topic at all, which is how to stitch braids, preparation, and even product that you could use. Now stitch braids can be done using two methods. There are two different methods. Okay, the rubber band method and the no rubber band method. Okay, in fact there are several methods you can use to do stitch braids. There are several methods, but in this particular video you're going to talk about the rubber band method and the no rubber band method. Now in both methods, the hair has to be clean. If you're the type that relaxes your hair, you should have relaxed your hair. It has to be very clean and stretched. Stretching is optional, and then sectioned. Now product that you can use in making this hair is shine and jam. So if you spray it, it's going to shine out. And now stitch braids rubber band method tutorial. In the rubber band method, the horizontally sectioned lines are each held together using a rubber band before they are braided into a cornrow. So you get what I mean now. So while if you open the line, you use the tiny rubber band to hold it. You use a tiny rubber band, in a very straight line, and then when you're done holding it through, then you now cornrow it. You get me? So find the one that is like, do the one that's okay for you. Now the no rubber band method is this one that the hairstylist slicks the hair using shine and jam, and then uses a combination of a comb and their fingernails to section the horizontal parts as they move along. So that's the second way you can actually do it. Now when it comes to crisscross stitch braids, now stitch braids are trending, and here is a step-by-step tutorial on how you can do it. You get me? So now when it comes to crisscross, it depends on the pattern, the way you part the hair, and then after parting the hair will now determine that in a crisscross motion, then you now start cornrowing it in a stitch braids method. I hope I'm not confusing you the more, but from watching this video I'm sure you can already tell how you can make these hairstyles. Okay, so these hairstyles are very beautiful and they're actually trending now. A lot of people love making this hairstyle, like different designs. One hair like this, you carry different designs on top the head, you guys. So you might want to try it out. This particular one you're seeing now is not only stitch braids, zigzag stitch braids. There's even crisscross, there's zigzag, there's stitch braids, there's heart shape, all in one head. You get me? So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure you watch this video to the end. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, I love you all.
And I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true.